Well, I'm feeling good today. I think I'm moving past the insanity, whatever's going on out there. I just don't care anymore to be involved in it or to feel like I have to save anybody or save the world or change anybody's mind. I mean, given the chance, I still try, but I'm just not driven by it anymore. And it feels peaceful and just feels good. I've been going outside more. I've been doing more and more gardening, weed whacking, mowing, cleaning out the chicken coop, that kind of stuff. And it feels good to do some physical work. And I've been getting back into reading some fluff. just just fluff, just nothing deep, just basic entertainment. I mean, I don't watch TV and I don't watch movies, and I mean, I still once in a while do my yearly Andy Griffith marathon, but that's not due till Christmas. So I just have a box full of books that my niece brought me, and they're kind of easy summer reading. I have noticed that I cannot tolerate, the sort of murder mystery things. I just, that's like, I'm over that. I don't tolerate that anymore. But, the fluff is okay. Anyway, getting back to nature has been vital for me. Keeps me sane. And, I think even if you live in the city, you can get back to nature. I mean, I lived in Chicago for like 30 years, and I always found a way to get out there, whether it was the lakefront or a forest preserve or a park. I had a lot of plants inside my apartment. So there was always a way of connecting with nature. Yeah, it's very helpful and very healing. So, and if you have kids, if you can teach them to appreciate nature, that's nice. I don't know. I think I've pretty much said everything I'm going to say. I'm not thinking about too many more things that I need to say on this channel. I think there are so many good channels out there, I don't need to be doing this. I think I'll upload some more audio videos that I think might be helpful for people. I have a lot of Adyashanti stuff. So we'll see how it goes. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're finding peace. I hope you're not allowing the insanity to get to you. Nothing you can do about it. It is what it is. It pretty much is what it is. So, all the best. Let me show you some of the blue sky today. It's very nice today. So here we go. I'm going to turn around. There's that gorgeous blue sky. Puffy clouds. I think it's about 70 something today, 78. It's just been a gorgeous day. A little bit of a breeze. So please take care of yourself. If you don't, who will, huh? Thanks for listening. Bye.